Hello, to change watch faces on a Redmi Watch 5 Lite, we've got two methods. The first one, you can do this on your watch by clicking on the main watch face. And now you can select any other watch face, like for example this one. But if you want to get more watch faces, you will have to move into the Mi Fitness application on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite. And then click to manage band displays. And just like this. And as you can see right here, you can search for any other watch faces that you have right here. So for example, if I want to get like this one, I can just tap on it and click apply. Now I will have to wait for this updating process, and as you can see, after a few moments I can find new watch face on my Redmi Watch 5 Lite. And when I'm gonna go back, I can find the local watch faces, and this is the all watch faces that I have right here. And after this I can even open it, and then I can delete if I don't want to use this watch faces. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.